Is it rebels in front? Is it Dave?
Rebel, rebel.
Time to go again. See if I can remember how to ski. Okay, 50 minutes later than expected. I forgot my suit, screwdriver, duct tape, very essential things, toothbrush. I forgot loads of stuff. Now it's time to go.
The last few months I've been off skis and off YouTube, getting stuck into physical training and also making the most of the time to get out and do some travelling. Now it's time to fire the series back up and take you along for the journey of the run-up into the season.
Home sweet home. Only 2 weeks here compared to last year's 5 in one camp, so slightly less, but good to be back. Actually have my own room for once because Billy woke up not feeling great this morning, so we have been separated. You know, going to feel a bit lonely, all in here by myself. Just have to manage. Seen Dave, seen Billy, good to see the boys again. Better get myself unpacked and ready to go, so I'm not a mess tomorrow. Is it rebels in front? Is it Dave?
Rebel, rebel.
We're letting him in this van, but that's just about it. Get back there, peasant! Get back!
It's so bad I have to wear a mask in here.
I don't want to be infected by the rebel! Stay away!
Day 1 of skiing. Time to get back into the swing of things. And nothing helps getting back into the routines again like hiding each other's stuff. But, unfortunately, this time, Billy had actually forgotten something.
You didn't hold it in, Dave!
No, socks no, gloves, yeah. Gloves, yeah. I've touched this off. I've touched the glove.
That's why I'm laughing, because I know you would.
Something might have a problem. I haven't touched this off. You messing my shit now.
That's why I couldn't hold it.
Billy did eventually find some socks. Then it was into the fridge and onto the drills.
Let's put Laurie halfway around so we can get an excuse when he's off the back.
Oh yeah, go on.
Oh, I've got a flat tyre!
Need one of them. Right.
A fairly cruisy first ride for the camp, joined by the Americans and the Americans' new boss, who looked slightly familiar.
Doris! I'm a little parched, David.
We don't need water, we got Twixes, we got Bounties.
Who needs water when you got this?
Mars.
Lovely jubbly.
Don't tell T.
Oh, beautiful.
Day 2, and you guessed it, we hit repeat and got back on the drills. This one looks way easier than it felt. It's important for us to use this time with an open slope to drill in the basics and work on fundamental changes we want to make to our skiing.
expert barista, David Dryden.
Food and hygiene. Food and hygiene. No hair going in these coffees.
No hair's going in there, don't worry
Going
about
out quick.
Day 2 and we're already in nap territory. Had a sneaky 40 minutes earlier. Now we're heading to do, I'm not sure what. The intention was to do some cleans, but I think at the moment none of us are cleaning, so me because tendons not feeling good. So I think we're going to see. Nice little present from the legend Doris. He said after Aspen we'd celebrate by popping a bottle. We got 2. So, gonna have to share these out because my dentist would not be very happy. Oh, maybe he would be very happy with me because it'd make him a rich man if I ate all those. Didn't end up filming anything outside. No lifting. Knee was sore, annoyed, frustrated. So it was just a bit of core, hip work, and stretching. Need to figure this out. It's not bad. But it's annoying me and it's not going away. I need to get a grip on it because I want to push hard. I want to push hard this year on every front. So need a quick sharp nip this in the bud so I can crack on. First 2 days in the bag. We've slowly been building things up. Slow skiing, drills, some carve turns, classic, some hitting gates today. And tomorrow, day 3, is already a challenge day. Us and the Americans, from what I've seen on the message, we're having an easy start and then going to no pole stubbies. So I think it's a no poles stubbies race. And then afternoon is a physical challenge. So the skiing part will be fun. Physical challenge in the afternoon, probably not so much. But I'll see you tomorrow.
Challenge day. Tension was in the air. A lot was at stake. We were up against the old boss and his Americans. We warmed up in the gates, ready to put it all on the line in the stubbies. I only have my video from the challenge, but there were no rules, just fastest run of the session was the win. So that meant full risk. And on the first run, the snow snake got me. After run 2, Dave had taken the lead. So my last run, I had to put it all on the line. Anything goes, even a little reach for the line in June.
Hi, Laurie.
Hey. See you boys after my ride.
Yeah, we're doing proper men's stuff. We'll lift it. they're not faffing around on a pedal bike. Pedal pushers. See these quads? I think these quads are made for fucking anything but squatting.
Yeah, cough it up. Tactical cough. Just managed to snag the challenge today in the no poles. David taking the lead. Came in, huge reach at the finish, and just took it. Now have about 2 hours before the next segment of today's training. The bike. Dave's also feeling like he's come down with some sort of cold, so him and Billy aren't taking part in the bike. Very convenient timing, that's all I'm saying. That slightly dry throat that Dave was feeling is really come in handy today. So going out solo, maybe me and the Yanks hitting the velodrome, then Dave and Billy will be lifting. I need to get horizontal. You know what, I thought I was doing heaps of like rotational work, like stability stuff in the gym, cables, balance balls, you know, unstable. Like, you know what, I'm gonna come to this, my core's gonna be like fine. But every time, if you haven't skied a certain amount of weeks or months in this case, I feel it. DOMs all through my core, sides, back, legs. Just nothing like the real thing, it seems. Right, I'm getting some rest.
In the end, just me and Jai for the bike session. We had planned 2 sets of 12 minutes of me clinging on to Jai's pace.
Do you know what it is?
I don't know.
Oh god, no.
You got squat on that.
Oh wow! You ordered that, Billy?
Yeah, somebody forgot this underwear out last year.
Got plenty now.
Alan. I think we need to put this to a vote.
Yeah, who really should wear the candy posing pouch?
London's pleasure shop.
We've roped him into the traditions already. Where are we picking? I'm leaning towards pink lemonade. What are we thinking, Billy?
I don't eat ice cream.
Refreshing. And that was our first few days of the first block finished. Thank you for watching the video. I did film another one for the next week, but I've managed to leave my GoPro in my ski backpack, my head bag that has gone in the van and on its way to Norway, where our next camp is. So that video will probably not be coming to you for a little while. You have to bear with me as I get back into the routine of things, filming and creating content again. Had a nice long break, so slowly getting back into the rhythm. It is now Monday, getting ready to upload this video. On Thursday already we're heading to Norway, Fonna. First time I've ever been up there, so really excited for that. So stay tuned for more videos to come this summer. And also, if you haven't checked out my Patreon page, head over there, links in the description, where you can find more skiing content, more of my ski videos, bit of discussion going on between me and the patrons. Got a bit of a community going on there, so go check that out. And I will see you hopefully next week if I have
got into this rhythm. The event.
Squatting Hugo Boss. Yeah.
These are Kerr's hand-me-downs.
Anyone's interested in sponsoring the Highlander, Hugo Boss.
Sam's hand-me-downs.